Give you guys a reason why I shop Wayfair. Now this is a shower door that I just finished installing, and I got it all done. It cost me about $660 total, whereas I got a quote, several quotes, to get this done, custom made, $2,500 to $3,000. So I got several quotes, about $3,000 to $2,500 to get this thing custom made in here. And all I did was got on Wayfair, they asked for my dimensions, they made it, sent it to me. And this is the frameless shower. Look how thick it is. And it's a 3/8 inch thick. It has the protective coating for scum, and it comes with the black hardware. Even has a stabilizing brace at the top. So I think I came out like a fat rat. And of course, installing it myself saved myself thousands of dollars, at least a couple $1,000s. Now I just got to finish cleaning it up and, taking care of the little whatnots, and this is a temporary shelf here that I'm going to put new shelves, shower caddies in, and it's a wrap. But yeah, everybody's going to Amazon, but low-key Wayfair is off the chain.